This video will show you how to install the Feit Electric Smart Touch and Camera Doorbell. Start by using the template to ensure your door falls within the required measurement range. To install the deadbolt, ensure that the top icon is facing up. Be sure the latch slot is centered to the bore hole. If it is not, adjust the latch to the next position. Then secure with the provided screws. You can reuse your existing Strikebox and Strikeplate. However, if necessary, install the included Strikebox and Strikeplate with the provided screws. Use a screwdriver to ensure the deadbolt operates smoothly. Push the front panel into the bore hole, ensuring the centerpiece passes through the latch and the wire threads underneath the deadbolt. If your door is too thick, remove and replace the standard screw tubes with the longer ones. Open the battery cover on the back panel and remove the screws to take out the base plate. Secure the base plate with the two flat tail screws. Be sure not to over-tighten them. Insert the main wire into the socket on the back panel. Tuck the wire into the door frame and align the latch with the front panel as you push the rear panel onto the base plate. Secure the rear panel with the previously removed screws. Make sure that the lock operates smoothly. Then, insert the batteries before restoring the cover. The lock will begin to calibrate. Connect your lock to the Feit app and start using your smart door lock.